Hello people, we are back again, and in the previous video we talked about email body and email subjects, okay? And in this video we are going to talk about sending mails to the victim, okay? And in this we are going to talk about two methods. The first one is which we are not going to discuss because it's the normal and is one. All you need to do is you need to create an email or Gmail account with special characters. Like if you are making an email for Microsoft support, then use like Microsoft support at the rate gmail.com, something like that. It's very tough to find a very unique type key words for that, but it's the only option if you are using simple mail. But also we can use a secure email sender in which you can use expiration time, which means it can be deleted in a specific time, okay? And we have Android applications, iOS application and web versions for this, okay? These are the some things which you can read if you want to, okay? Now if we go to sign up, that's the main thing which we are gonna do. We got options, okay? Free, plus, visionary and professional. So if you are rich you can also go for professionals, and if you are less rich you can go for plus versions, okay? And you can also go for visionary if you are very rich. We are not rich, so we will go for free, okay? And we will select free plan. And now here we can log in with our credentials or create our accounts, okay? So here it doesn't ask more than a username and password and a recovery email. I don't prefer to add recovery email, but if you have a habit of forgetting passwords, then you must add this, because if you forget the password once, you won't be able to ever log in again with your account, okay? So add your credentials here and then create account, and after you go to create account, it will take you to a page where you will need to verify that you are a human, so that it will ask for email verification or mobile number verification. Don't worry, it's safe, you can do it, okay? And after that it will verify and it will take you to, it will not link your mobile number or email with this account, so no need to worry, okay? So I have already logged in, and this is my Proton Mail, okay, service. It's look very simple like a Gmail, and it can be easy to use. All the difference is this composed part has more options than the normal Gmail. It has options for expiration time, it has options for encryption, and then more additional kind of like these options which are very normal, okay? Then we can also attach files like photos, videos or whatsoever we want, okay? So here if we select this one and subject, we add these are rare, okay? And we add something here, add something here, okay? Like anything we will add, okay? We will add an expiration time, okay? We will add expiration time for 1 hour, and we will set it, okay? We will not set the encryption, because since this is phishing, we don't need to encrypt because the victim will not open it, okay? Now this says not all recipients support message expiration. This is the thing which is very big problem if you are sending a mail to gmail.com, okay? I'm using gmail.com so that I can show you the problem that happens or occurs. Now just click on send anyway, and it says message has been sent, okay? So now let's check out, okay? And inbox, and it will be in the spam folder, as I told you, since that it will be okay. It's not in the spam folder, that's great, okay? Now this has a purpose, like it's 0 minute ago, it will be deleted after 1 hour, okay? But it not in all situations. If you send it, and may happen that it will go in the spam folders, okay? Like this one which I used previously, so that I can show you if it doesn't happen, okay? This message seems dangerous. Similar messages were used to steal people's personal information. Even since I haven't added anything else rather than this click here link, okay? And also this click here link has been disabled, it's not opening, okay? Now this was sent from the same mail which I just sent through, but it says like, okay? And if I click on look safe, then it will allow me to click on this, okay? Okay, now also it's not allowing me to click on this. I don't know why. Okay, but this is in spam folder. So we will be talking about how can we keep our mails out of the spam folder in coming videos. For now this was it, okay, and it will be deleted after 1 hour. So this was the thing, you can send emails, and there is one more method we can use, okay, if we aren't able to do so. This is a page created by Strange Learnings, and this is for just for a prank, okay, make sure you don't use it for wrong deeds. Now here it says from email, you can use any email. Can you guess any email? We can use anything we want, okay, we can use blah@gmail.com, okay, blah 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 at the strange at the blah blah .com, okay, and then we can send this to this Gmail, and you are full, and message body contains you are going to be fucked up, okay. And now here we will enter this verification code, which is on the right side, which is 40001, okay, 40013, okay, and we will click on send, and now it says that mail has been sent. Now what if we check the mails? Okay, here we have it, by strange@blah.com via IMSS. Now the question arises that this link can be used to catch us, okay, but what if we copy this and paste it here? Okay, I got the wrong thing, let's copy again, okay, just copy this and paste it here and enter, and it says nothing, which means it will not be if the person is a bit smart, then also he won't be able to recognize from where it is. And now this is the custom mail which we can use anything we want. Now we can use custom names, we can use custom anything, okay. Now the thing is, you want to use this, okay, you will be thinking like, I want to use this, but I won't tell you, I won't give you this website link, because in upcoming videos we are going to talk about how can we create a page like this, how can we create our own, so that we can create it and delete it after sending the mail, so that it leaves no traces of that we have done something like that, okay. So stay connected, and in upcoming videos we will be talking about spoofing and everything about spoofing, including creating these pages, okay, and share with your friends for more courses like this. Thank you for watching this video.